How to create a message template. So we are in our widget. Let's scroll down and here you see message templates. Open it and press here, create a new message template. Template name, let's do some couple of templates to see. You can use masks here, for example, client name and any other you want. Also, you can add some files, pictures, so on. Okay, that will be our first template. And let's create the second one. Okay, this won't last long. Saving. And now, when you want to send a message, you need to go to your list, choose the contact you want to send it, open our widget, and here you can have two variants of how to send it. First variant, you need to press here and choose a template you want, this or this, for example this. Or you can just type slash on your keyboard and also you can choose it here. Oh, no, let's choose this one. Select. Here you go. You send your messages.